Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In this video, we are highlighting 20 Wera tools that are ideal for both DIYers and professional electricians, focusing on quality, reliability, and ease of use for a wide range of electrical projects. Ratcheting Screwdriver. Designed to feel intuitive and fast, this ratcheting screwdriver combines effortless, rapid adapter bit changes with a finely tuned ratchet that works smoothly even in the tightest spaces, with a simple direction selector allowing instant switching between tightening, locking, and loosening for controlled, efficient fastening. Turbo gear-driven screwdriver. This turbo gear-driven screwdriver multiplies speed by 4 through pure mechanics with no battery required. A single button engages the turbo for rapid driving, while the lockable steel gear delivers controlled power and precise fine adjustment when needed. Tool Check Modular Set. The Tool Check Modular Set brings versatility into a compact, intelligent system, uniting standard screwdriving, precision microwork, and hex plus angle wrenches in one configurable solution. Linked by adapters and a flexible hinge, it adapts effortlessly to changing tasks, keeping everything connected, organized, and ready for work. VDE Torque Screwdriver. Designed for speed and safety, this VDE Torque Screwdriver enables rapid torque adjustment with slip-resistant, non-over-tightening control in both directions. A torque lock function handles high loosening forces, while the freewheel sleeve and VDE blade mount ensure smooth, insulated operation. T-handle bit-holding screwdriver set. This T-handle bit-holding screwdriver set delivers fast, powerful, and comfortable operation with an integrated fine-tooth ratchet and easy direction switching. An ergonomic dual-component handle and rapid adapter bit holder enable high torque. Magnetic strip. This magnetic aluminum strip offers secure, space-efficient tool storage, mounting to metal surfaces or a wall with ease. Strong clamping springs hold up to 11 open-end wrenches firmly in place and always within reach. L-key set. This L-key set turns hex fastening into a refined experience, combining hex plus geometry for longer screw life with a ball head for flexible access. A smart rack, removable magnet, and durable black laser finish keep the tools comfortable, corrosion resistant, and always ready for work. Comfort Ratchet Set. This Comfort Ratchet Set is built for smooth, precise work in tight spaces with an ultra-slim design and an 80-tooth ratchet for effortless movement. A soft, ergonomic grip and quick one-finger direction change make every turn fast, confident, and comfortable, all stored in a rugged textile case. Zyklop Pocket Ratchet Set. This Zyklop Pocket Ratchet Set packs serious capability into a compact form with a smart integrated bit magazine and a swiveling head that locks into position. The fine-tooth ratchet delivers smooth, precise control, while the magnetic mount converts it into a powerful bit screwdriver, making it a pocket-sized solution for fast, flexible work anywhere. Pistol Set. The Rebel Pistol Set combines a powerful ergonomic pistol grip with a fine-toothed ratchet for smooth, fast screwdriving. Rapid adapter bit changes and a belt holster keep everything quick, efficient, and always within reach. Interchangeable Screwdriver Set. This interchangeable screwdriver set keeps versatility in one handle with an integrated bit magazine and a strong magnetic holder for secure fastening. Durable bi-torsion bits cover the most common profiles, while clear color coding makes the right bit instantly easy to find. Safe Torque A1. The Safe Torque A1 ensures precise fastening with a slipping release that prevents over-tightening and a torque lock for high loosening force. Fine 72-tooth gearing and clear tactile feedback make it compact, accurate, and easy to use in tight spaces. Self-adjusting wrench. This self-adjusting wrench grips metric and inch hex fasteners automatically with smooth, stepless precision. An integrated ratchet speeds up tightening, while insulated handles ensure safe work up to 1,000 volts, delivering fast, secure, and damage-free performance in tight spaces. Speed Ratchet Set. This speed ratchet set packs 42 pieces of fast, flexible capability into a compact textile case. A swiveling ratchet head with locking positions and secure holding sockets delivers smooth, high-speed work while staying perfectly organized and ready to go. Insulated Interchangeable Screwdriver Set. This insulated interchangeable screwdriver set combines safety, speed, and comfort in one compact solution. Rapid blade changes pair with a perfectly contoured craft form handle, while rigorous VDE testing ensures confident work up to 1,000 volts, all neatly organized for everyday professional use. HF1 Angle Wrench Set. The HF1 Angle Wrench Set combines hex plus geometry for longer screw life with a holding function that keeps fasteners securely in place, a ball head for flexible access, and color-coded easy grip sheathing makes size selection fast and handling comfortable, even in cold conditions. Compact Tool Organizer Case. This compact tool organizer keeps essentials perfectly controlled, with laser-cut tips for secure grip and a craft form handle shaped for speed and comfort. Anti-roll protection and clear color coding add everyday practicality, while full compatibility with the Wera 2-Go system keeps everything mobile and organized. Zyklop Speed Ratchet Set. The Zyklop Speed Ratchet Set delivers fast controlled work in a compact 42-piece format. A swiveling ratchet head with locking positions and secure holding sockets keeps tightening smooth, precise, and ready for mobile use with the Wera 2-Go system. VDE-Insulated Ratchet Set. This VDE-Insulated Zyklop Ratchet Set delivers maximum safety in a remarkably compact format. Individually tested to 10,000 volts, it combines smooth, precise operation with a lightweight, durable textile case that stands upright for clear storage and effortless portability. Centering Punch. This centering punch is built for precise alignment of lugs and drill holes when used with the colossus system. The conical pin, made from hardened chrome molybdenum steel, delivers strength, accuracy, and long-lasting durability under heavy use. That brings us to the end of the video. We hope this overview helps you see how these tools can support your work at any level. And be sure to stay connected with the Chopbusters for more practical tool content and honest reviews.